Here's the Connect menu within Pads. We will now check out a schematic design onto Pads. The first time I use Connecta, I need to log into Aras. I select the Aras server and the relevant database, and I may even use a single sign-on if necessary. Now, I can choose to use the advanced search to search by a specific property, or use the free text search, which searches for a value in all the properties at once. This is usually faster. By default, I get the latest version of each design, but if I select to show all revisions, I can check out previous revisions too. Clicking on every design shows a preview of this design in the preview window. Then, I can check out the design or open it in view-only mode. From the Connect menu, I will now select Deposit. Here is the deposit window. Using this window, we manage the design and the BOM. Each line represents a component placed on the PCB or one of its variants. Clicking on each component shows the relevant Aras data for this component in the right pane. I specify if the design should also be checked into Aras, and if a viewable file should be created too. I can select various options to display my components, such as showing each refdes on a separate line. If I have more than one variant, I can show specific variants, but I can't select none. I will now validate my design against Aras. Validation is complete. In our case, the deposit window automatically shows BOM differences between the current design and the design stored in Aras. I can export my updated BOM to Excel or save everything to Aras, including the design file and the PDF. Our check-in zips the entire project and stores it in Aras as the latest version. I have the option of keeping the design checked out if I wish to continue working on it.